Hello everyone, I'm Meghana T, Assistant Professor, Department of Psychology, Teresian College. In today's tutorial, I'm going to cover the topic Parkinson's Disease. Parkinson's disease is a neurodegenerative disorder. It is a slowly progressive disorder that affects movement, muscle control, and balance. Now, Parkinson's affects predominantly dopamine producing neurons in the area of the brain called substantia nigra. Nerve cells in substantia nigra send fibers to tissues located on both sides of the brain. These cells release essential neurotransmitters that help control movement and coordination. Parkinson's disease is a progressive adult onset disease. Age increases the risk of Parkinson's, and the average age of onset is 60. However, early onset Parkinson's also occurs. Researchers believe Parkinson's is caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Several genetic mutations can raise the risk for Parkinson's. Research shows links between Parkinson's and certain chemicals used in farming. Also, metals and chemicals used in factories. People with Parkinson's disease may experience symptoms such as tremors, bradykinesia, which means slow movement, limb rigidity, gait and balance problems, which are otherwise known as postural instability. In addition to movement-related symptoms, there may be non-motor symptoms such as apathy, depression, constipation, and sleep disorders. People with Parkinson's disease are often more impacted by non-motor symptoms than motor symptoms. Doctors often use the Hoehn and Yahr scale to gauge the progression of Parkinson's over years. This scale includes stages 0 to 5. 0 meaning no signs of Parkinson's and 5 advanced Parkinson's disease. There is currently no cure for Parkinson's disease, but treatments are available to relieve the symptoms. Symptoms are usually treated using dopaminergic medications. Dopamine cannot cross the blood-brain barrier. However, L-DOPA can cross the blood-brain barrier. L-DOPA administration can increase dopamine levels in the basal ganglia. I'd like to conclude this tutorial with a quote by Frank Ormsby from Parkinson's poems. Which would you rather have, Parkinson's or Alzheimer's? Parkinson's. I'll rather spill half my pint than forget where the hell I put it down. With that, I conclude my tutorial. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this tutorial and you would like to see more such tutorials, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.